Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is according to Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, the Punjab's art form we are learning. It is the pair state of Andhra Pradesh. So as usual, we can see the dance forms. So dance forms of Punjab, that is Bhangra, Gidda, Zammi, Tiyan, Jhumar, Getka, Dhamal, then Luddi, Kikli and Julli. Dance forms are there. First of all, we can see what is Bhangra dance. It is an important dance here. Several forms of folk dance and music associate with the Vaishagi festival. Vaishagi or Baishagi festival. It is a festival of harvest, and the people having an energetic source of joy and entertainment during the wedding and other celebrations. Also they used to have the Bhangra dance. So it is several forms of folk dance and music associate with this Bhangra dance forms. Next we can see Gidda. It is a folk dance, manages to creatively display feminine grace, elegance and flexibility. So it is showing some feminine elegance, grace and flexibility. That is the Gidda dance, that is that much creatively that showing that. Then Zammi dance, it is a tribal dance. Tribal communities do this, that is in the especially in the area of Sandalbar area of Punjab. Then comes Jhumar dance. Jhumar dance is a lively form of music and dance, lively form of music and dance which are found in Multan, Balochistan and the Sandalbar area. And here we can see that it is little slower, that is rhythmatic, slower, and jhum itself means swaying, that is like swing like that. It is a slow motion dance, that about the Jhumar dance. And we can see the Luddi dance. It is a folk dance. Women click their fingers and clap their hands moving in a circle by jumps and half turns and accelerating the rhythm by stamping their feet. Once more I will tell you, that is women click their fingers and clap their hands moving in a circle by jumps and half turns. They will jump and they will half turn and accelerate their rhythms by stamping their feet. Then Julli dance, it is done by Muslim holy men known as Julli men, that is called peers. Peers, they dance in hermitages, and this peer means they are elder people, Sufi, spiritual guide. They wants to live alone and they are avoiding other people. They are avoiding the gatherings. And next one, Kikli dance. It is also done by women in pairs, cross their arms in pairs, and four women also participate like that in the groups. And then cross their arms, hold each other hands and whirl around singing folk music. That is a Kikli dance. And the next one, Getka dance. It is a Sikh martial art. They are using swords, then sticks and daggers. Daggers means it is not that much longer type of swords. They are making some type of, yes, this way it looks like that. A small type of knife they are using. A small type of knife they are using, that is a martial art. So when we see the properties, you be careful about while you are associating with the chemistry. You can see what material they are used. Suppose in between they may be what metal they are using. In between, you know, the handle, how the handle has been made. Whatever the properties they are using, that you can associate with the chemistry, and how they turn, how they move, that we can write in a narrative like form that is associated with the languages. And physics also working of some of the properties we can associate with the physics. And here it is harvesting season, it is associated with the geography. So like that you associate and make the project. Then let us see what are the fairs and festivals of Punjab. Baishahi, Lohri, Gurudwara Fatehgarh Sahib Jor Mela, then Hola Mohalla, Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, Rose Festival and Martyrs Day. Let us see 2 or 3 festivals here. Is Lohri, it is a Punjabi winter folk festival. Punjabi winter folk festival. It commemorates passing of the winter solstice, that is where sun reaches maximum and minimum declination. Sun reaches maximum and minimum declination, that is the longest day. We can see that there is June 21st and the shortest day is December 22nd. So that is associated with the Lohri festival. Then we can say Hola Mohalla. Before Hola Mohalla, I want to see what is Holi, because this festival is associated with the Holi. That is associated with the spring festival. As it is a spring festival, let us see what is Holi. It is festival of colors. It is celebrated by Hindus as well as non-Hindus, and it shows the arrival of spring, and it is a celebration of good over evil. It is celebration of good over evil, and it conveys a lot of happiness and love. And how the Hola Mohalla is associated with the spring festival. It is a spring festival, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji built upon the method of celebrating Holi by adding a martial element. He added a martial element and creating Hola Mohalla to be celebrated a day after Holi. A day after Holi, to practice their military exercises and hold mock battles. So Hola Mohalla, it is a spring festival. It is a spring festival, and that is Guru Gobind Singh built upon the method of celebrating Holi by adding a martial element and creating Hola Mohalla to be celebrated one day after Holi. So Holi is a spring festival, the same days, but one day after this Hola Mohalla is celebrated. Really it is showing the military exercise and mock drill also. And there is a Martyrs Day also. It is a day to salute the soldiers who lost their lives in the battles. Warfield. So that is a Martyrs Day. And anyway, all this you can see that how you can integrate how the soldiers, how the soldiers are doing, or how they lost their life. Anyway, there is a tactics of warfare are there. Anyway, you can see that all these it is related to geography, it is related to physics, then how the weapons are made, guns are made, it is related to chemistry, it is related to mathematics. So that way you integrate the fairs and festivals of Punjab. Anyway, it is another thing is that not only the pair state has to do this, all other states also can find out what are the different methods. Only one pair state, one subject you have to integrate with the pair state art form. So you can see what are the possibilities of art forms from different states also you can take and you can incorporate with the art integrated learning and art integrated project. Now let us move to the art forms of Punjab. The art form craft also included. See the art form of Punjab: Fulkari flower embroidery and woodlay work. Fulkari flower embroideries are the famous embroideries used in Punjabi dress forms, and majority I have seen this type of design, and most often these designs are filled with a long stitch. That is designs I have found there. And then wood inlay work. It is done on tabletop or in also we can say, because that is the way how the inlay work has been done. Then wooden furniture, doors, Indian stones, then on semi-precious stones and precious stones this work has been done. And how the inlay work is done: cutting a shaped pocket, then filling that pocket with another piece. So having cutting a shaped pocket, then filling that pocket with another piece cut to the same shape, and filling pieces of wood into prepared slots in a surface. and this slots may be filled with sometimes it can be filled with a smooth shining substance, what we call it as inner layer of shell. This is also known as mother of pearl. So mother of pearl, they will crush the mother of pearl. They will crush the mother of pearl, that is inner layer of the shell, the smooth shining substance, and fill in that particular cuttings with different shapes, maybe ornament shape, flower shapes, and different patterns they are using, and that type of a particular work they are using in the case of the wood inlay work. Then we can see what is the dress of Punjab's dress form. That is so familiar. There is dhoti kurta, there is an unstitched cloth, you know, dhoti is regarding. Then salwar suit, kurta, and tehmat and temba. Tehmat means the Punjabi version of lungi, which is having the folds on front side. That is the tehmat, and patiala suit and turban. This is the dress forms of Punjab. And here, what is a dress, whether it is cotton or the silk or whatever, whether it is synthetic type of some other materials, that you can integrate with your project. And here also the art forms also can be integrated with the projects, whether it is maths, according to the shape, according to the materials used, you know, that you can find different dimensions. Then we can see what about the food of Punjab, especially it is a culinary art. Let us see the food of Punjab. There is makdi roti and sarson da saag, then chola bhatura and lassi. Let us see what is sarson da saag. That is mustard greens. Mustard, sarson means mustard and saag means greens. Generally 5 green leafy vegetables have been taken. That is, here it is taken mustard, bathua, spinach, radish and fenugreek. So this one, properly wash it, cut it, and after all add tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, spices, salt, green chili powder, red chili powder, green chilies, and then asafoetida, and mix it and cook it. Then cook them in pressure cooker. After all, take it, blend it with it will maybe with in the mixer or wherever that you blend it properly, and after all this green puree will be ready, and this green puree can be poured into a pan, and after all simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. And now that will become a little more smoother. You can add maize powder also little, maize flour also little, and after all then you have to temper it. Temper it with onion, ginger, green chilies and tomato till you have to fry that one till the onion becomes brownish golden color. And you have to pour this one into that puree, and in the top you can decorate with butter and serve it with a makdi ki roti. That is, makdi ki roti means a flat bread which is made of maize. So this is the nutritious food, and it is a winter time the people use, because most often this mustard leaves we get it that time. So I hope you understood how to prepare this. Just try it. And this is the they say that this puree maybe that type of a particular consistency you will get, and it is good for any type of roti. So I hope you understood. You integrate it with the art integrated learning or with the art integrated project, and I hope you will do it properly. Okay, thank you for your cooperation.